Look, extra wet this time. Yeah. A little tighter. Yeah, we'll last one. Look at all the brim there. Ah, big school here. See him?
No.
Right here. Now you can see him.
Who's your brother?
Oh, look at that. Big sooty and a golden bomber. Oi! You watch this now. They're all just right here. You see him?
Yeah.
Hook him. Oh. I'll show you what to do. Oh! Got him! Come on, Nick. This is probably less than 30 seconds. Oh, got him again. Got him. Ace on a turn now. We're going to pour this big cyclone Narelle that come through. Just in case the shop run out of feed, we got some brim here. Ace turn now. Golden bomber and that little rod. See if we can get him on there. A little bit quicker. Like he's trying to escape.
Yeah, now you got it.
You got him?
Yep.
Ace onto a big sooty. Oh, monstrous. Bring him up. All right, give back my rod now.
And what fish I got?
Not even 5 minutes.
On my line.
Got 5 brim there, or 4? No, 5, sorry. Slowly. Got him. Oh, bring him up. That's a monster.
God, look at it. Look at that. It's huge. Got another.
He's on a good one. Oh, you nearly hooked me up. Keep him. Ah. Oh, carry! Oh! He Suri smashed this golden bomber. Get him up, get him up.
And that's how you do it.
All right, I'm gonna try this little soft plastic. The brim is smashing the golden bomber, so I'm gonna try this out. So let's see how I go.
Oh,
You got him.
they were going that way.
All right.
They were right here.
I got 80-pound leader, 30-pound braid. Oh. Oh, they're following it.
Go right, Jonathan.
Probably getting used to it, huh?
Go right.
Right there?
No, right here. They're right here.
Yeah, you're gonna swim past it. Yeah, they're thinking about it. No. Soft plastic, they don't want it. I'll give it one more card. Card me open. Oh, they want it. They're hitting it. Oh, look at that brim.
Oh, he's still right here.
Ah,
Dropped it.
yeah. I think a little hard body one would be perfect here. I'm gonna look for one. What you got? Oh, wait, Cal's on. Bring him up.
Little one.
Good eating size.
Yeah. Close
I'll
to
press
the-
pause there. Oh, shit. One more cast. Try to get a big one. I reckon you should have cast it over here, under that tree there,
Yeah.
next to it. Ah, I missed him. Fix the lure up. Let me move out the way first. Go. Not on the tree. Oh, perfect. Ready? Cal's gonna hook one up now. Swimming style. I know anybody got a big brim or what?
Always a big one.
Oh, yeah. Cal on a big one. Bring him up this side. Bring him up. Hey!
Whee, that's me for the day. Caught enough. Make a fire, huh?
All right. Now we've caught enough brim, about roughly 10. Enough for a feed. We're cooking 4 now and take 6 home. And we're just gonna spend the time relaxing and swimming in here for another couple of hours, and we're heading home. But 4 brim there, enough for a feed. Got the 10 in the esky. We're just fishing for fun now and chucking them back. Oh. All right, quick little intro. I open up this brim here. How long the see this top bit here? Little stick should slide straight down, or knife or fork, however you're gonna open it up. Same the other way. Now that it's there, you can just peel it back. And the meat should just stick on the brim. See that nice little flesh there, white one. See that? Here we go. Bit of salt. Just a little bit. Some lime. You should try some of this here on the fish. Very good. My grandmother liked it like that. You see how earlier we were getting big brim like this. We're eating them little one and nice and soft. The big one, they're tough, really tough to meat. So yeah, little brim, nice and tasty. Big one, bit too hard, like a piece of steak you're chewing on. Oh, let me get choked for bone now. You gotta be careful. See that little bone there? Get stuck in your throat for a couple of days. I don't like this.
Dad.
cruising. Oh, that was big.
Go.
Oh, we're going back now. Catch good enough fish. And you can see this side a big rain coming in. I think that's that cyclone coming through now. And it's starting to rain. We better get out of here before we get bogged. After quite muddy getting out of here. If you like watching my videos, or if you make it this far in the video, please like and subscribe and follow me. And let me know. See you next time.